How to fix the Zoom audio issue is on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are not audible or you cannot talk during a Zoom audio sound, in that case you have come to the right place. Open your Zoom account first and then go to the More section. Under Settings, tap on Meetings. Under Meetings, you will see different options. First of all, tap on the first one, Auto Connect to Audio. From here, select Wi-Fi or cellular data. This way, you will be automatically connected to the audio without having to do much changes. Also, you can turn off or toggle off the option mute my microphone and use ordinal sound. Once that is done, let's go and check the permissions that is given to your Zoom audio. For this, long press the Zoom app and go to App Info. Under App Info, tap on Permissions. Now you have to search for the microphone. Tap on it and then select Allow only while using the app. Now, if you go back and join a Zoom meeting, it should probably fix the issue. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.